needle from here. Also number 1.
And so, let's say it breaks somewhere else.
You slowly bring it.
Oh, fuck, I get it.
It'll be multiple possibilities.
This whole thing turns.
Cylinder turns. Where the needles are. This stays the same.
Oh, okay, I get it. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So,
you change them at one.
Very good question. First, you might have to repair the yarn. If the yarn is broken, which causes a hole, it's something different. You won't be changing the needle. But you might have to change the needle after repairing the hole because some needles got bent with the pileup of yarn.
Yeah.
Okay. So you bring it, you repair the broken yarn, then you bring it over. Once you repair the broken yarn, you bring it over here to change the needle. Okay. Right now we're just talking about changing a needle. But there are levels of changing a needle. So again, now just pull straight out. So tight. There's a pin, so there's only one way to go in. Yeah. So these 2 doors that don't do any function aside from being a door to change the needle are very straight. The other ones in the back have more a triangle. So if for any reason you open these ones, which I don't think you will, but Larry will do that again with you later today, is you have to make sure that the angle is correct.
Okay.
Because these ones, the needles will go up and then down. So to put this back, they have to be in the same position.
Yeah.
And that might take an extra minute.
Yeah.
And then also, you just want to grab it here, and you can. So the cylinder has a spring on it.
Yes.
To keep the pressure on the needles so they don't go outwards. If you see that this is very bent, you will lift it up and cut everything off over here and cut just so you don't want it to pop into your eyes. And then when you bring it down, it will go underneath. You have to go down and out.
Okay.
And or if you're not sure the needles, you can just close the latch. And so it will not get the latch will not go into the spring and possibly rip. Because I've seen people who don't really care and they'll just So and the opposite is if you're putting a new needle in, you have to have the latch open to put it in.
Okay.
And Larry will do that again with you today.
So now it's not in that loop.
No, you will have a little drop in it.
Okay.
We can ask Larry, he's better at that.
Can we not just use that little picking tool?
Exactly. You want to get it? It's in that.
Une machine pour des personnes de notre taille ici.
Yeah, so it's on again.
It's on again?
Yeah, 1 second. Just gotta go up. Yeah, but
it's China made for Chinese people. The height. Poor guys like you.
Oh, it's the height.
The height.
yeah.
I've gotten away with it for a lot of years until
Normally, you're not gonna go crazy for this. For one.
Yeah, we're not to buy
There you go. So now it's underneath.
things or whatever.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hit
So make sure they're more or less straight. You have a lot of play here, but still.
It's like my embroidery machine's the same thing.
Yeah.
My needle bars.
Yeah, you don't have to overly tighten it,
Yeah,
but it
just
should be snug.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. And then you know what? You just want to.
That's it.
You just want to. You want to just make sure you get
it's
it
working
past.
fine. Past the spot where we just.
Yeah,
played
and
it.
you want to. You don't. If
So that isn't-
you can go like this, and if it's in the wrong place, it'll go snap. Okay, so you want to go just slowly and make sure, because if there is anything done wrong, you'll feel like it's not moving. Stop.
Yeah, and then
and take a look where
you
you might
obviously
have.
can't go backwards though with this.
No,
It won't back one.
No.
Right? Yeah, it's the same one.
But it's just precaution. I mean, it's like anything, you know.
It's the same reason the embroidery machine, when you do start, it does,
Yeah.
then it goes full speed. Same thing.
Yeah, but this is what I'm telling you there is just to make sure that everything was
Yeah,
put
yeah,
in a
yeah.
proper position.